Ready, start. We have decided to embark upon a massive mission to provide LPG connection in the name of women members of poor households. I have set aside a sum of rupees 2000 crore in this year's budget to meet the initial cost of providing these LPG connections. This will benefit about 1 crore 50 lakh households below the poverty line in 2016-17. The scheme will be continued for at least 2 more years to cover a total of 5 crore BPL households. This will ensure universal coverage of cooking gas in the country. This measure will empower women and protect their health. It will reduce drudgery and the time spent on cooking. It will also provide employment for rural youth in the supply chain of cooking gas. I want to take the opportunity to express our gratitude and appreciation for the 75 lakh middle class and lower middle class households who have voluntarily given up their cooking gas subsidy in response to the call given by the Honorable Prime Minister. Their gesture is a matter of pride for the country. Catastrophic health event are the single most important cause of unforeseen out-of-pocket expenditure, which pushes lakhs of households below the poverty line every year. Serious illness of family members cause severe stress on the financial circumstances of poor and economically weak families, shaking the foundation of their economic security. In order to help such families, the government will launch a new health protection scheme which will provide health cover up to rupees 1 lakh per family for senior citizens of age 60 years and above belonging to this category. An additional top-up package up to rupees 30,000 will be provided, making quality medicines available at affordable prices has been a key challenge. We will reinvigorate the supply of generic drugs. 3,000 stores under Prime Minister's Jan Aushadhi Yojana will be opened. About 2.2 lakh new patients of end-stage renal disease get added in India every year, resulting in additional demand for 3.4 crore dialysis seasons, with approximately 5,000 dialysis centers in India, largely in the private sector and concentrated in the major towns. The demand is only half met. Every dialysis season costs about rupees 2,000 and annual expenditure of more than rupees 3 lakh. To address this situation, I purpose to start a national dialysis services program. Funds will be made available through PPP mode under the National Health Mission to provide dialysis services in all district hospitals. To reduce the cost, I purpose to exempt certain parts of dialysis equipment from basic customs duty, etc. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe entrepreneurs are beginning to show great promise in starting and running successful business enterprise. The Prime Minister had given a call for promoting entrepreneurship among SC/ST to become job providers rather than job seekers. Stop.